work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip, let me work my magic. If you only knew how the game has changed, you'd think it's kinda nice even when it rains. But take any advice with a grain of salt. If you only knew, if you only knew. We'll do something new, start a snowball right in June. If you only knew, only knew. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic. Lucky, 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 lucky. Hey, guitar player. New York's #1 cut creator. Hey, speed skater. Take a bite, let's put an ad in the papers. Backflip, you know what to do. Ooh, backflip.
Now this guy is one of the strongest Digimon known as the entire cosmos. This guy's name is Victorygreymon.
Watch me backflip, let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip, let me work my magic.
If you guys thought that War Greymon was strong, you should check out Victorygreymon. I've been my eyes set on drawing this character, this Digimon, for a long time. I didn't really have the guts to do that. So, what the hell? Alexa, play it again.
Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic. If you only knew how to laugh and dance, whether you're a pancakes or waffles man, we still got a whole lot left to learn. If you only knew, if you only knew. We'll do something new, start a snowball fight in June. If you only knew, only knew. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic. If you only knew how the game has changed, you'd think it's kinda nice even when it rains. But take any advice with a grain of salt. If you only knew, if you only knew. We'll do something new, start a snowball right in June. If you only knew, only knew. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic.
This is why Victorygreymon has the... this is one of Victorygreymon special weapons.
Hey, speed skater. Take a bite, let's put an ad in the papers.
After Victorygreymon evolves, after you evolve it into this form, Victorygreymon comes with a sword.
Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic. Hey, guitar player. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic. If you only knew how to laugh and dance, whether you're a pancakes or waffles man, we still got a whole lot left to learn. If you only knew, if you only knew, we'll do something new, start a snowball fight in June. If you only knew, only knew. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic. If you only knew how the game has changed, you'd think it's kinda nice even when it rains. But take any advice with a grain of salt. If you only knew, if you only knew, we'll do something new, start a snowball fight in June. If you only knew, only knew. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Hey, guitar player. New York's #1 cut creator. Hey, speed skater. Check a flight, let's put an ad in the papers. Backflip, you know what to do. Ooh, backflip, you know what to do. Ooh, let your freak flag fly. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic. Hey,
Alexa,
guitar
stop.
player.
All right. Yeah? Sorry about that. And finished. That is how you draw Victory Greymon. I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And get ready, there's going to be more Digimon like this coming soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.